Lecture 4, Indian Polity, Charter Act of 1853. Features of this Act. It separated for the first time the legislative and the executive functions of Governor-General's Council. It provided for addition of 6 new members called Legislative Councillor to the Council. In other words, it established a separate Governor-General's Legislative Council which came to be known as the Indian Legislative Council. This legislative wing of council functioned as a mini parliament, adopting the same procedures as the British Parliament. Thus, legislation for the first time was treated as a special function of the government, requiring special machinery and special process. It introduced an open competition system of selection and recruitment of civil servants. The civil service was thus thrown open to Indians also. According to the Macaulay Committee, the Committee on the Indian Civil Services was appointed in 1854. It extended the company's rule and allowed it to retain the possessions of Indian territories on trust for the British Crown, but it did not specify any particular period unlike the previous charters. This was a clear indication that the company rule could be terminated at any time the Parliament liked. It introduced for the first time local representation in Indian Legislative Council. Of the 6 new legislative members of the Governor-General's Council, 4 members were appointed by local governments of Madras, Bombay, Bengal and Agra.